I felt the burn, the JavaBurn. When I was ready to take my weight loss to the next level, I added this dissolvable packet to my morning drink. My daily workouts and monitoring what I ate did not help my weight loss. I needed a boost to my metabolism that would put me back into the fat burning mode. And something that would not interfere with my daily routine. Something that would fit in my schedule. Just by adding this one packet to my morning drink, I noticed a drastic change in my energy and weight loss. What is this packet, you ask? Well, let me introduce you to the JavaBurn. JavaBurn allows you to know what it feels like to have your metabolism working in overdrive for you instead of against you. To have your fat-burning furnace burning hotter than ever before. Just tap the link coming up to get more information about this revolutionary science towards weight loss.